JoGo just sent us this brew straw for coffee and tea for our review, and you'd be surprised that just a simple straw has so many cool features. This is what it looks like. This is the green one. Of course, it comes in different colors, but this is where the magic happens. This straw literally has a brewer filtration system right there. It's all metallic, so that's really, really cool. Super easy to clean as well because they do provide you with the brush that you can just go right through it. And you don't have to put anything in here. That's the actual filtration device. What it is, it's for loose coffee grains or leaves, tea leaves. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. Actually, I'm just gonna put a little bit. What you'd usually do is have it with another form of contraption to like seep it and wait for it. This is what it is. I've got boiling water in here, so I can mix it. This is really just to have coffee or tea on the go anywhere as you. It is dishwasher safe as well. I just want to mention that as well. And the cool thing is, if of course that concoction would be really, really hot, this is like kind of a temperature control, really good for your lips. Super convenient if you've got sensitive teeth as well. And all you do, drink like you would. I mean, it looks crazy when you look at it this way, but I am not getting anything through the straw. I'm enjoying my tea perfectly. Super easy to carry anywhere because they do provide you with the pouch, which is awesome. I mean, they've thought of everything. It's a super cool little device that you can, like I said, bring everywhere with a heat regulating tip. JoGo for the win. I love it.